When it comes to upgrading your home's windows, many homeowners focus on choosing the right style, material, and energy efficiency features. While these elements are important, one factor that is often overlooked but crucial to the longevity of your windows is professional installation. In Fort Worth, where fluctuating temperatures, strong winds, and occasional storms can put windows to the test, proper installation can make all the difference in ensuring your windows last for years to come. The role of professional installation in proper window installation goes beyond simply placing the window in the frame and securing it. It involves ensuring the window is properly sealed, aligned, and secured to withstand the elements and daily wear and tear. Professional installers are trained to assess the structure of your home, ensuring that your new windows fit perfectly and are installed according to manufacturer specifications and industry best practices. In Fort Worth, where we experience a combination of hot summers and chilly winters, the structural integrity of your windows is vital for maintaining energy efficiency and preventing costly repairs. Professional window installation ensures your windows are correctly fitted to the building's frame, which is the first step toward maximizing their lifespan. Preventing common installation errors is one of the biggest risks associated with DIY window installation or hiring unqualified contractors is the potential for installation errors. Even small mistakes can lead to long-term damage. For instance, if the window isn't level, it could lead to improper drainage, causing water to pool around the window frame and eventually damaging the surrounding structure. This can cause mold, wood rot, and even the need for a full window replacement sooner than expected. Improper sealing is another common issue. If windows aren't sealed correctly during installation, air and moisture can seep through gaps, reducing the window's energy efficiency and increasing the risk of damage. In Fort Worth's climate, where temperatures swing from hot summers to freezing winters, this can cause the materials around the window to expand and contract, leading to cracks or warping over time. A professional installer understands the nuances of weatherproofing, ensuring the window is sealed to prevent drafts, water damage, and temperature fluctuations from affecting your home. This level of precision can extend the lifespan of your windows by preventing premature wear and tear. Ensuring energy efficiency. The energy efficiency is one of the top reasons homeowners in Fort Worth choose to replace their windows. However, windows can only perform efficiently if they are installed correctly. Improper installation can lead to air leaks around the frame, which can result in energy loss. This means your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside, raising your energy bills and placing unnecessary strain on your system. A professional installer ensures that your windows are correctly aligned and sealed, maximizing their insulating properties. When windows are installed with care and attention to detail, they can maintain consistent internal temperatures, reduce your energy consumption, and enhance the comfort of your home for years. The impact of Fort Worth's climate on window longevity. Fort Worth's climate can be harsh on residential windows, especially if they are not installed correctly. The city is known for its hot, humid summers and unpredictable winters, which can lead to issues such as condensation, leaks, and wear on the window frame and glass. Extreme temperature fluctuations can also cause certain materials, like vinyl or wood, to expand and contract, leading to gaps or cracks over time. Professional installation ensures that your windows are equipped to handle these stresses. Expert installers use high-quality materials and proper techniques to prevent moisture buildup, air infiltration, and other issues caused by the local climate. With professional installation, your windows will better resist the challenges of Fort Worth's weather, ultimately extending their useful life. Conclusion: investing in professional window installation is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your home. Not only does it ensure that your windows perform at their best in terms of energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal, but it also helps maximize their lifespan. With Fort Worth's variable climate, professional installation is essential for preventing common issues that could otherwise shorten the life of your windows. By working with skilled, experienced window installers, you can enjoy the long-term benefits of durable, well-installed windows that enhance both the comfort and value of your home.